Hello YouTube and welcome to the second Parkside Me video for today. Here I present you this cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. It shares the same ergonomic design as the cordless drill from my previous video. It has non-removable lithium-ion battery, 8 volts 2 amps per hour. It can be used for wet and dry cleaning. It has removable and washable filter. And there are some accessories in the box. A crevice nozzle. Let's open it and see what we have inside. Of course, the shiny manual, USB-C charger, the crevice nozzle, and of course the vacuum cleaner itself. It's a little bit heavy. I will have to measure it to tell you the exact weight. Like I said, absolutely the same ergonomic design as the cordless drill from my previous video. 3 levels, battery indicator, here it is, the washable filter. Well, filter is really hard to say for this. I don't know what really it is. Something that is noticeable almost instantly, the vacuum cleaner is extremely quiet. Later I will compare it with my Parkside vacuum cleaner from the X20 V team. Let's measure its exact weight. 700 grams. Let's compare the sound level generated from the two vacuum cleaners. First, the Parkside Me. And now the green Parkside. Almost 10 decibels difference. And of course, let's compare the suction power of the two vacuum cleaners. First, the green Parkside. Okay, we have some leftovers. Now let's test the Parkside Me. Well, as you can see, the suction power of the Parkside Me is way below the suction power of the green Parkside. To further test the vacuum cleaner, here is some sawdust from my cordless drill, and let's do some testing. For sucking sawdust, I think it's the perfect solution. Really small and really handy, but for anything else, I think that you will need something bigger like the green Parkside. In the end, I'm a little bit confused in my opinion about this Parkside Me vacuum cleaner. Yes, it's small. Yes, it's handy compared to the green Parkside, but its suction power is far less. And yet again, it comes with this expensive vibrator design of the handle, and I don't think any man would like such a device in its workshop. And its price, it costs 25 euros. If I remember right, the green Parkside here, the bare unit of the green Parkside, costs 30 euros. Yes, you have to buy yourself a battery pack, but if you have one, I think that the green Parkside is the better solution. That's all from me. If you'd like the video, thumbs up and subscribe.